Hello, I'm Dana Salem, and today I'm going to talk about motion. Let's start. Motion. Motion is the change in location of an object, and it basically means moving. Although you are sitting still now, you are actually moving at 100 km per hour relative to the sun. Although you may be at rest relative to Earth's surface, you're moving about 100,000 km per hour relative to the sun. Suppose you're standing in the aisle of the bus that travels along a straight road at 100 km per hour, and you hold a pencil still above your head. So, relative to the bus, what is the speed of the pencil? Relative to the flow of the bus, the pencil is not moving, so the speed would be 0 km. Second point, relative to the road, what is the speed of the pencil? It's 100 km per hour. Third point, suppose you drop the pencil while it's falling, and relative to the road, what is the speed of the pencil? So the speed of the pencil is relative to the road it's always going to be 100 km per hour. So this means that the pencil will hit the floor at a place directly behind you, at your feet, below your hand, in front of you. Relative to you, the way the pencil drops is the same as if the bus were at rest. Depends on the velocity of the bus. So second we have distance and displacement. Distance is how far an object has moved. It is a scalar quantity. A scalar quantity only has magnitude, which means size. Second, displacement is how far an object has moved from its original position. It is a vector quantity. A vector quantity has a magnitude, size, and direction. Okay, so to test your understanding of the difference between distance and displacement, consider the motion displayed in the diagram below. A student walks 4 meters east, 2 meters south, 4 meters west, and finally 2 meters north. What is the distance that the student has walked? So that's 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, which is equal to 12 meters. Second question, what is the student's displacement? So remember, the displacement is how far you've moved from your original position. So he got back to where he started, so the displacement is 0. The third question is explain the difference between distance and displacement, which we said in the slide before this one. So we're going to talk about speed and velocity. First, speed. Speed is how fast an object is moving. It is a scalar quantity. It only has size. The unit for speed is meters per second. Second, velocity. Velocity is speed with a direction. It is a vector quantity. If either the speed or direction of an object changes, its velocity changes. Acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity that is defined as the rate at which an object changes its speed. An object is accelerating if its speed or direction is changing. The unit of acceleration is meter per second. Acceleration can be calculated by the following equation, which is acceleration equal change in velocity divided time. That was it. Thank you for listening. I wish you enjoyed and learned something new.